Sending events and parameters to Facebook, it's a good thing. You can use them to create custom audiences and custom conversions. And on this channel, on our YouTube channel, we have a video about this. But sometimes parameters can trigger privacy warnings with Facebook. I'm Cristian Stoicescu from PixelYourSite, and in this video I will explain you how to deal with such a problem. How can you fix them? Fix the privacy warnings if you use PixelYourSite. Now, when can you see such warnings from Facebook? I noticed two types of scenarios. One of them is related to parameters, as I just mentioned, and it usually happens when you have products with names, titles that look like medical information, for example. In this case, page title parameter will capture the product name, and the content name will also capture the product name. And Facebook will say, no, this is medical information, you should not send it to Facebook. If you ask me, it's a false warning. It should not be there because you don't send private information, you just send the product name. But since they have this warning, you can go to PixelYourSite and disable this parameter. I will show you later on how to do it. The second scenario is related to URL parameters. This is something else. It means that a URL, a page address, has some extra information, parameters containing that data that looks like private information. Maybe it is private information. And this can happen when your payment processor, card processor redirects clients to a page, to a URL with such parameters. And I will explain why we don't have a solution for this problem. And okay, let me show you how to do it, all this stuff in PixelYourSite. This is the plugins my page. Scroll here, and we have these new features related to URL parameters. Remove URL parameters from event source URL. Event source URL is mandatory for all Conversion API events. So every Facebook Conversion API event has this event source URL sending the URL where the event was fired. It's mandatory for Facebook Conversion API events. And by default, we remove automatically all parameters for these URLs to avoid the problem that I was mentioning earlier. If you, for some reason, want those parameters back, you can disable this option, save, and we will start to send them. The same thing for target URL parameters. This parameter is specific to signal events fired for clicks on links, URL, or buttons and stuff like that. So if the target URL, the link that will be opened by the click has parameters, we remove them, again to avoid such problems. If you feel like you need URL parameters for this target URL parameter, you can disable this option and save. So by default, we will not send URL parameters with our events. If we talk about events parameters, boy, I say parameters too much. Anyway, that's that. I mean, I cannot avoid it. It's about parameters. You have this section explaining what the default parameters the plugin will capture and send to all tags. And you can click to expand. And here you have the global parameters that we add to all our events, and you can disable them. For example, if you have problems with the page title, disable page title. If you have problems with content name, disable content name. Landing page, disable landing page, and so on. So go here, save, and you're good. A similar section for WooCommerce with parameters specific to WooCommerce events, and you can see them here. So if you have a warning about one of these parameters, simply disable the parameter, save, and it should be fine. However, I noticed another problem and I don't have a solution for it. This one, potentially violating personal data sent to Facebook, and it's about URL parameters, as I was saying. And if you click here, you will see even the affected URLs. These URLs are not sent by our conversion API events because we strip the parameters from your URL. So these are probably captured by Facebook browser events, and we have no control on these events at all because Facebook uses their own script to get data from a page, and they get the page URL, the full page URL, and then they stripped whatever they think it's a potential violation of privacy. They make it unavailable to you, but they get it and they show this warning. I don't have a solution for this problem because we do not capture and send this data. It's Facebook. I guess it's Facebook doing it automatically. The only solution it would be to contact your payment processor and ask them not to use this kind of URLs with personal parameters included in the URL. Anyway, they will probably not respond, and we will be stuck with this. But the only consequence that I can see is that Facebook is actually removing these parameters, so you won't be able to see them and to use them for custom audiences or custom conversions or anything like that. Other than that, there is nothing else. I don't think they will remove accounts or something like that because they remove the data, so you don't do anything bad with that data anyway. So this is it. This is how you can remove parameters if they break, if they fire personal data warning, and this is how we treat URLs with our conversion API events. We remove parameters by default, and unfortunately we don't have anything, any solution for this warning, because I think it's related to their browser events, despite the fact that they mention here in the description API events. Anyway, maybe they have a bug and they will fix it at some point.